Hello everyone, I just want to introduce you to my favourite friend, my brush basin. So first of all, let me talk you around the brush basin itself. You've got a little handle which makes it very convenient to carry from room to room. Also got these little holes around the outside edge, and you'll notice they're different sizes. And in fact, there are different sizes on each of the edges. So each of them will fit a different size brush. These are brilliant if you're doing any kind of decorative painting, because if we're working and then we want to store our brushes while they've still got paint on them, we can take them away from our work. They'll sit here perfectly and they don't get in the way. And then now I want to introduce you to the rest of the anatomy of this basin. This is the lid, but it's so much more than a lid. Each of these is a little mixing palette. This could be for our extender or even for water, our blending gel, or any of the other mediums we work. And we can literally mix our paint on the side. And then when you look inside, on one side we've got ridges. On the other two sides, we've got two separate water basins. Then we've got these little recessed areas that will allow us to put our brush. Now, the best thing about this is the brush can have the tip of it in water without it actually having the bristles touching the bottom of the basin and distorting them. I can rinse in one side to get off the majority of the paint, come into this side and rinse again, or I can come into the ridge side and really work the paint from within the ferrule. What a fabulous piece of equipment it is. So handy to have, and it will become another one of your painting friends.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.